Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be changing out this old trane system. It's not even working at all. Only the compressor is trying to kick in, but we're going to change it out, put in a RunTru. I'm going to move that disconnect that way just a little bit, probably hang that, and the copper I might make it like a little bend. We're going to put a RunTru, if I remember correctly, and a crane is gonna come over here because I can't lift it through there. But yeah, let's get this job done. Okay, right after when you finish disconnecting your AC on the rooftop, what do you do now? You gotta wait for the crane, right? Well, what I do is I go downstairs, help my partner out to get his air handler out of the closet or in the ceiling or whatever, right? And that'll give you enough time to come back and wait for the crane. Or usually, right now, I might get it even something to eat. So yeah, you have enough time to wait for the crane. And it's gonna be, the crane for me, it's gonna be like 30 more minutes. So I got enough time to eat something. So yeah, a little tip for you guys. Okay, I feel very bad for not recording, but I forgot to record the crane. But yeah, the unit is here, and for these RunTrus, this is the roof kit. You don't put them like that for this type of unit. You always have to put it like inside like that. And right down here, you always have to put isopad down there and there, just so it doesn't touch metal to metal, because that's against the rules for this place I'm at. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna do the electrical, and then the copper. And that's pretty much it. Let's get to it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start brazing. And right now, I need to tell you guys one tip real quick. As you see right here, this thing lives in there. So it's best to take it out because there's like a little tiny gasket. And if you heat it up while brazing, you're gonna have a leak in the future. So it's best to take it off just so that doesn't happen in the future. So yeah, take those service ports off and cover around here with a towel just to keep the valves safe. Quick tip. Once you take these things off, it's best to put them in a safe spot. I usually put them here, like right there, just to see where they're at. But it's best to put them in a safe spot. So yeah, keep them safe. Okay, we just finished welding and we just finished pressurizing as well. So right now I have it on a vacuum. I need to tie those bolts down on this metal of the roof kit. And yeah, pretty much we're done with this AC. Only thing left is to do the subcooling, tie it down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, it's running now, so I need to get the digital gauges, put some gas in it, bring an Armaflex, paint it, and we're pretty much done. And I need to get some locking caps. So yeah, we're pretty much done.